My friends, Dan and Man here. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing a taste test today, and we're going to test Jungle Frost by Inawera. Stick around. Okay, we're back. Time to party. In this, a little tank is a Jungle Frost. Well, first things first, I gotta admit that I like it. Yes, indeed. I like it. Let's go ahead and read what Inawera has to say about this flavor. I'm going to read it to you. Out of the blue, you notice delicate but clear cold wind. Chill, unexpected, but a very nice gust. The flavor is likewise a mix of tropical fruits with a dominating pineapple smell and with a chilled freshness at hand. Yeah, I'm not really sure how good of a description that is. You do get the pineapple smell. I'm not tasting pineapple though. What I'm getting is a medley of fruit kind of jumbled together. It's a nice taste. I don't taste anything more prominently than anything else. What I like the most about this flavor, two things. You can use it as a single flavor. You don't have to add anything to it. If you want more mouthfeel, you could add some marshmallow. You want more cream? You could add a cream. I would do like fresh cream, FA's fresh cream. Won't change the profile, it'll just make it creamy. But it's a good mouth to lung flavor because, excuse me, what I like about it, it's got that, supposedly that cold at the end, right? But, you know what, let me do, okay. I've got this flavor from a manufacturer from the Modi, okay? It's cold. When I hit it, I feel the cold in my throat. When I breathe in, I can feel it in my throat. This flavor, Jungle Frost, doesn't do that. Thankfully, because I don't like that personally. Some people do. I personally don't. But what I like about this flavor is it adds to the throat hit. And I did... This is weird the way I said that. And I love throat hit. And I do. I chase that throat hit throughout the day. One of the reasons I'll only vape every 20 minutes or so. Sometimes an hour goes by. And when that does, I get the most baddest, assest throat hit. Which I get with this. And I like a lot. I don't have to add as much nicotine to it either because I'm getting a good throat hit with it. Anywho, I think it's a good beginner flavor too. Any beginners out there and you want a tropical mix, this is a good one. I say pick it up and give it a go. It's Dan the Man signing out. Peace.